Biological diversity, or commonly known as biodiversity, is a term used to describe the variety of life on Earth, including a wide range of species of plants, animals, and microorganisms, and also the whole ecosystems. Biodiversity is crucial to maintain the health and stability of our planet in order for us to live in harmony. We cannot have the healthy ecosystems we rely on without a wide range of animals, plants, and microorganisms in this world. So today, we are going to learn about the Zoo Negara, an example of Ex-Situ conservation site in Malaysia that focus on safeguarding biodiversity. It plays a vital role in protecting endangered species by providing a safe haven for them outside their native environments, helping to ensure their survival. ALYAA, hello. So these are the endangered species that are kept in Zoo Negara from the outside. Sarah, hello. So, don't forget to come here for a visit at the Zoo Negara at Gombak District, Selangor. The price range is not that expensive and we must save our nature, especially the endangered species.
Assalamualaikum guys, the National Zoo, or in Malay, Zoo Negara, is located on 110 acres of land in Ulu Klang, Gombak District, Selangor. You know that guys, it was officially opened on November 14, 1963 by the first Prime Minister, Tunku Abdul Rahman. Do you know that the zoo is actually organized by a non-governmental organization that is known as the Malaysian Zoological Society, and it's a home for 5,157 animals of 476 different species.
You guys must be curious why the Ex-Situ conservation has been implemented by the government as one of the initiatives to maintain species diversity within or away from their natural habitat. Let me tell you guys what is the purpose of Ex-Situ conservation. One of the purposes is to prevent poaching activities which can diminish species population and cause local or even global extinction. Recently, the illegal act is being carried out because the desire for rare animals products such as ivory, skins, and bones. This causes many wild animals die every year due to poaching. To ensure that those creatures have a viable future, we must safeguard them from poachers so that they can live in a very protected environment. Besides, Ex-Situ conservation serves as a platform for scientific research and studies related to wildlife behavior and advancing our understanding about certain species. Before this, many researchers found that it is difficult to conserve biological resources because they cannot study animals up close and evaluate individuals' animals' behavior and physiology. From Conservation Zoo, Ex-Situ research can help conservation efforts to protect wild animals and their habitat by providing useful information that will be difficult to obtain in the wild. Last but not least, the purpose is to facilitate breeding programs for endangered species, ensuring genetic diversity, and maintaining captive population that can potentially be reintroduced into the wild. For your information, there are 7 species of hornbills in Zoo Negara. The Hornbill Center was newly set up in 2010 as a breeding center for the great hornbills, the rhinoceros hornbills, and many more. On the other hand, Zoo Negara has made remarkable success in captivity breeding the endangered milky star and false carrier. Therefore, they play a vital role in both conservation of species and research into its breeding habits.
So now that we have learned some interesting facts about Zoo Negara and also the purpose of it, why don't we take you guys to see the animals that can be found in the Zoo Negara. So the first animal that can be found in the Zoo Negara is the iconic Malayan tiger, which is scientifically known as Panthera tigris jacksoni. As we all know, Zoo Negara is renowned for its conservation efforts with the critically endangered Malayan tiger. Visitors can see this majestic national animal of Malaysia in specially designed surroundings that mimic their natural habitat. There are also white Bengal tiger, known as Panthera tigris, and lion, Panthera leo, but unfortunately they were sound asleep when we were visiting the zoo. So next up, we have orangutans, or known as Pongo abeli, which are from the Sumatra, Indonesia. This zoo is a home to a number of these intelligent orangutans since they are facing threats such as habitat loss. As you can see, the family members of the Sumatran orangutans family are Rokia, Anna, Choki, Tsunami, and Maya. Not to forget that we also have chimpanzees family here. Next, Zoo Negara's bird aviary has one of the biggest collection of bird species in the country. You can find various species of birds such as Pavo cristatus, which is a peacock, hornbills, and many more. In this Zoo Negara, we can also find many types of amphibians such as green paddy frog, and even invertebrates like zebra tarantula, specifically in the Rimba Biodiversity exhibition. Zoo Negara also have penguins. One of them are the Humboldt penguin from the South America. The famous Malayan tapir, Tapirus indicus, are also here. It is also included in one of the conservation work in Zoo Negara. Not to forget, we also have giant pandas belonged to Malaysia by the Chinese government. These adorable pandas are a major crowd puller and a rare opportunity for visitors to see these iconic creatures up close. There are many more types of species that can be found here, and I think it is much more better if you guys can visit the Zoo Negara by yourself to experience great encounter with the animals and get to know more about them. I think that's all from me. Bye!
Hey! Have you wondered why there are so many local zoos around Malaysia? Let me share with you the benefit of having zoo in this country. First, zoo is important for knowledge and give awareness to people about our current animal condition. Zoo Negara actively work to inform and teach the next generation about the value of biodiversity and conservation by providing tours and informational booths. It may play a significant role in educating the public about the world's environmental problem to protect the animal as much as possible. Next, zoo is the main conservation center of protecting endangered species. Zoo Negara provide a harmony environment, thus the animal can live in a healthy lifestyle. The zookeeper will ensure the animal live in a clean and safe area. They really take care of the animal by feeding a healthy food and grooming them every day. They even impose fines to those people who injure the animal. Zoo Negara also run a CSR program. This program gives chance to public people to have experience of taking care of the animal for a day, and this program contribute to their wildlife conservation. By that, the population of the species will grow healthily. Not only that, zoo may also play an essential part for researchers. In reality, several zoos provide habitat for exotic animals no longer in the wild. As a result, Zoo Negara may be helpful for researchers, especially for uncommon species, because there are sometimes the only area where scientists can examine such unusual species. Research on these species is critical because only by learning more about them, we will be able to safeguard them from extinction in the long term.
Together with us is one of the visitors from Zoo Negara. So, Miss, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Alina, and I'm the one of the visitor of Zoo Negara.
Okay, so Miss Alina, what do you think zoos like Zoo Negara contribute to wildlife conservation? I personally think like places like zoo help raise awareness about endangered species, and it also inspires people to take actions to protect wildlife, and it's a really form of education towards visitors. Right, thank you so much. Okay, so today we are here with another visitor of Zoo Negara. So please introduce yourself.
I'm AHMAD, and this is like my friend.
My name is Muhammad Akif. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, so the question for today is, how do you guys feel about the conservation work happening here at Zoo Negara?
Conservation work. So I think like it's very heartwarming for all of us that by visiting and supporting the zoo, we also like contributing to the conservative work here.
Indirectly.
Yeah, and
Even
also
though we
like
are not doing the hard work,
uh,
we just visiting and feeding the animals inside. We just support.
and also like support the local business here. Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright.
Thank you so much. Alright, so now we are here with another generous visitor who is willing to answer some questions. Okay, so Miss, can you introduce yourself?
Okay, first, my name is Nur Najwa Nabila. You can call me Bella.
Alright, Miss Bella. So here's the question. Could you share your thoughts on Zoo Negara's conservation initiatives? What do you think they are doing to help endangered species?
Oh, okay. Well, I've heard Zoo Negara have a program, breeding programs for endangered species such as panda, our famous panda, you guys know, right? So I think it's good because they are doing their parts very well. So everyone have to come and bring their kids so that we can, they can learn and we can see the endangered species.
Thank you so much, Miss
Alright.
Bella.
And there you have it, a glimpse to the world of Ex-Situ conservation at Zoo Negara. Kindly scan the provided link and fill up the Google form to share your valuable feedback on our video. And feel free to drop your questions in the comment section.